ba't nawala na kayo? Nakabot yun naman. May si ate, wala pa? Si ate Karin? Ito nga, sir, wala pa? Oo. Hindi kayo pupunta na. Hindi ko, wala. Sunod baka sabay kayo dito nyo. Siyempre, babalik na po sa Lunes sa next Lunes na, 17 yun. Makasunod ako sa Lunes, sa next 17 ako babalik Lunes. Ha? Oo, sa Lunes na nga. Ay, sa Martes, anong gagawin natin sa Martes? Magano tayo sa workbat para magano. Magano tayo ng... Martes wala kang pasok, di ba? Saan ba tayo? Ating ipaalam ko. Para ba lang kapilit tayo ng babak? Sige. Mahirap nga mag-plan. Sabi niya, I can give you your pay, sabi until your anniversary. Sabi ko, it's okay, I'm happy. Isi mo natin wata. Magastuti. Akala ko kayo. Kasi sa akin nakatingin kanina kayo naman ang pumunta. Ako hindi pinaalam sa akin, kaya na-shock din ako Hindi ko pa nga Oo nga, doon ako naiinis. Yeah. Pag yung gusto ko wala ngayon hindi ko in-expect din yun at least paano ko nangaring yung meeting ko sabi I can do my root canal you work so hard, that's why you need rest. Thank you. Totoo naman ano ba ginagawa natin para tayong kalabaw. Sabi nga din kasi tumawag din si Josie. Kanina, sabi ko tuwag-tuwag. Sabi ko, magpapakasyon ako. Sana nagtrabaho, mo kaya ko. I need rest, friend. Sabi ko, kaya nga, para may time tayo. San Lamartis nga, kung saan pwede. Martis, Ibert, Luris. Martis, pero wala kang pasok. Kaso nga lang, wala na tayo kami na. Wala na tayo kami. Ito na 75 lang yung overtime ko, tapos magkano lang yung ko to. Ipokonti na yung susunduhin ko sa 15. 595 lang. Tatlong araw na absent. Ikaw, ang laki ng ko Tapos hindi pa ako nakaabot sa ano eh, 77 lang yung ano ko, out ko. Bastok ka. Baka ano na naman yun. Ako, 375 kilos ko.
And I'll reiterate that they did deliberately misquote me. First, they took only the first line of what I said and then they cut it off. And so you haven't played the rest of what I said. And what they did was they reported that I said that Republican policies were dangerous for Israel. And actually, that's what Ambassador Warren commented on. I never said that Republican policies were dangerous for Israel. In fact, that's the opposite of what I always say. What I always say and what I said in that event, and it's very important that we understand that Israel should not be a political football. What the Republicans are doing is they are suggesting that there is daylight between the parties on Israel.
Okay, but
I didn't say their policies were dangerous for Israel. I said that what they're doing by trying to suggest that there's a difference between the parties in the United States, or that President Obama has less than a stellar record on Israel,
Yung ano ko, te,
because it undermines
yung
Israel.
trailer ko. Ito, iniwan ko nga titignan ko.
That Republican policies were dangerous for Israel. What I said was what the Republicans are doing, referring to their suggestion repeatedly that President Obama has less than a stellar record on Israel, which Israeli leadership has repeatedly said that Israel has no greater friend than President Obama. And I said that because they're using Israel as a political football, that what they're doing is harmful to Israel, not their policies that
you inferred though that by saying that Ambassador Warren, it made it seem like Ambassador Warren that he had said that exactly that he didn't
Ambassador Warren has said, and with all due respect, and I spoke to Ambassador Warren afterwards, he told me that he was confident that I didn't say what I was accused of saying. This statement responds to a misquotation and a partial out of context statement that I supposedly made.
Okay.
I did not say, and I don't believe that Republican policies, in fact, saying that policies are different between the Republicans and the Democrats of the United States is harmful to Israel, and I didn't say it.
Do you
I
regret
said that the
anything? Do you
Republicans are...
regret anything that...
Isko dahil hindi naman tayo nag-ano, hindi kagaya nung talagang naghahabol tayo. Ano sabi natin, Sendan? Dapat yung malalaki ang katawan sa ano? Ha? Mga ako mga gano'n, pinapapasok niya ako sa doon. Basta gusto ko rin, para hindi ko nakikita yung isang unggoy ko. Ha? Ito yun. Yung magdami-dami sa akin. Sabi nga ni Pupo, kasi kaya hindi ka inaano kasi nag-aano ka rin papasok. Ano mo na siya? Pero question mark yun. Bakit pinag-aanuhan na ano? Ano? Yung sinasabi niya na nauna siya kaysa kay Jen. Oo nga. Ano ba yung, oo nga, ano ba, ba't mo ano ba yun, ano ba yun, ililihim. At least sana kung hindi yung isa pa nagsabi na nauna pa siya. Kaya nga, sabi ko sa'yo, nung nandun tayo, sabi ko, di ba sabi mo, Minsan po, hindi ko kasi nakita si Severina kung ano yung reaction ko kasi nakatangkilig ako eh. Tapos, hindi ko nga alam, hindi ko nakita kung ano yung reaction kasi hindi naman siya sumagot. Tapos si Jenat, ibulat ka niya na something wala, yung pinulad na nakastay nga. Tapos kinawagan, tinanong ko, sabi naman niya, nasabi ko ba yun? Isang palit. Kaya sinabi ko ba yun? Hindi sabi naman ng isang yun. Kaya iniisip ko nung papunta tayo sa Waikiki eh. Sasabihin ko sana sa'yo, kaso ka lang nakalimutan ko ba, hindi ko ba i-ano sa'yo kung paano ko i-kwento, pero nakalimutan ko talaga. Kaya nung kausap ko siya ng umaga, si Jenna, si ng umaga,